You may be wondering how to begin meditating in order to see long-term results in your life now that you've seen all of the benefits and types of meditation. In short, the most effective way to meditate in order to reap all of these benefits is to establish a daily practice. A daily practice is a meditation session that you do on a daily basis, ideally at the same time each day. This session will get you into a routine, give you time to relax, and be repeated frequently enough for you to benefit from the meditations. How do I establish a daily meditation practice? It is simple to establish daily practices. Begin by deciding on a time of day when you want to meditate. Many people prefer to meditate early in the morning or late at night. Both times have significant advantages. Morning meditation will get your day off to a good start and will motivate you to complete and stay focused on your tasks. If you need help finding motivation or have extra time in the morning, this time may be ideal for you. In contrast, meditating at night will allow you to reflect on the day and work through any unresolved emotions before going to bed. This will allow you to sleep better and feel better prepared for the next day. If you have trouble sleeping, need more time to reflect, or despise getting up early, you may want to meditate at night. If you are truly motivated to begin meditating, you can always meditate in the morning and at night. Just be careful not to overburden yourself, as this may cause you to abandon meditation entirely. After deciding when you want to meditate, you should also decide how long you want to practice. Meditating for the same amount of time trains your brain to focus over a period of time. Your daily practice should last anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour, depending on your needs. Although you should aim for your daily sessions to last approximately the same amount of time each day, you can always adjust the time later or make certain sessions last longer or shorter than others. This time commitment you're considering right now is not a hard and fast rule. Consider it more of a guideline or suggestion for yourself. Following that, you may want to set up or decide on a daily practice area where you can meditate. This could be a small section of your living room or a yoga mat in your office. Whatever the case may be, you want to create a safe space in which your mind immediately enters meditation mode for your daily practice. Following that, you should establish a go-to meditation technique. On days when you're tired or don't feel like meditating, having a go-to meditation technique will save you time and energy. Having a go-to technique does not imply that your daily practice must always be that meditation style. Your daily practice should be rooted in routine while reflecting your daily needs. So, on some days, you may use your favorite meditation technique, while on others, you may use a different technique. Performing your daily practice? It's time to start doing your daily meditation practice once you've decided on what it will look like. Here are some things to keep in mind when performing your daily practice. Every day, try to do daily practice at the same time and for the same amount of time. This will train your brain to get into the zone of meditation and allow it to do its job. Also, keep in mind that every day is unique. While sticking to a schedule is ideal, improvisation is also beneficial. Alter your meditation technique. Meditate for a longer period of time, or even rearrange your meditation space. Improvisation based on your daily needs is always encouraged because it ensures that your meditation is relevant and useful to your current situation. Finally, be gentle with yourself. There will come a time when you will either forget or will not have time to do your daily meditation practice. When this day comes, don't be too hard on yourself. Be gentle with yourself and gently remind yourself to resume your daily meditation schedule the following day.